guys, hope you are all well, and in this clip I want to show you how I made this roasted nuts in the forest honey, and I hope that you enjoy it. Let's do it. So now I will begin with roasting all the nuts, and the first time I try I do with walnuts, but this time I try with mixed nuts, and you roast it with a pan first, and this is what you get, and you let it cool down a little bit, because if it's too hot it can destroy the nutrients in the honey. So just put this in the empty jar. Okay, this is how I do. After you roast it with a pan and you let it cool down a little bit, and then just mix in here. Okay, and then you can mix with any types of resin, but I have the black resin, so I put the black resin in here, and I think it tastes good. You can put as much as you like. Put a lot, and there you go. And now the last part is to put the honey in this jar. It's good if you can get the organic one or the forest honey, and make sure it's the real honey, and it will give you the better taste. So just pull it in like this. There you go. And you just mix it. I break my plastic spoon because they said that I heard that they said that it's better to use the plastic or the wood one, so that it doesn't destroy the nutrient in the honey. So that's why I use the plastic, because I don't have any wood. And this is how you do it. There you go. And just close the jar like this. Put it up a little bit so you can see, and it's gonna be this, and you can eat it in the morning with toasted bread, and it's very good. Here you go, it's finished like this. So it's good for topping. You can put on top of ice cream, toasted bread, or waffle, or anything that you like. Try it and tell me how you like it, and the taste of it the taste is according to the honey that you have. Okay, so try different kind of honey, and you will see that it gives you different tastes. And I hope that you enjoy this recipe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.